It is
It's
just an
something.
alternative because we cannot come up always with a topic to talk on.
Yes, yes, yes,
And what if in case like a speaker has spoken and then another speaker chooses to use the same topic and then even he has to. So it's not like a compulsion we have to use it. Definitely it's not a barrier.
yes. And if we just talk about the session topic, we don't have the idea what kind of things. We just have to speak
Hmm.
for that topic, and this kind of things uh, can be really, I think, hesitated, and we don't have any sentences, and we don't have any idea at that
Hmm.
particular time to speak with that topic. So yes, the general conversation is a very good thing.
Hmm.
We can say what we want to express with our choice, with our stuffs. So yes,
Hmm.
general topic is good than the.
It's
Yeah.
good, right? Definitely. Sometimes you get to open up as well.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, right. So, do you have a topic in mind now? What questions can be asked? It's still a barrier, Like we have to think about something new that we can talk about sometimes.
Yes. So what kind of weather you have in your place?
It's already summer. We have entered summer. It's already summer now. The temperatures, it varies from 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. That is
22
something
to
I,
35.
yeah,
Oh,
20,
it's a very.
20
Yes.
to 35 degrees Celsius. So the if in case you're traveling in the afternoon, it is super hot. It's exhaustingly hot. Not only in the afternoon, even if you're traveling at 10 o'clock in the morning, still it's hot. You feel really hot. That's something I do. Like I travel at 10 o'clock something. So, oh my God, the temperature is hot. It starts rising at that time, and it's quite hot at that time. And by 1, 2 o'clock, it becomes, you know, more hot.
So your place is not attached with the coastal region, coastal part.
Oh no, I'll explain. So basically, what happens is that we have Western Ghats, right?
Okay.
Yeah, all the right from Gujarat to Kanyakumari, we have the Western Ghats surrounding the southwestern part of India. Okay, so now what happens? This one particular ghat between Pune, and there's a particular ghat between Pune and Mumbai, which is Lonavala. I don't know if you have
Hmm.
heard of it, but it is
Yes,
quite
yes,
popular tourist destination place. So
yes.
the Mumbai place, like we lie on the other side of the ghat. We lie in the inside side of the ghat, whereas Mumbai lies near to the coastal area. Getting it?
Yes.
So Mumbai gets humid kind of climate, but because of the ghat it blocks rest of the moisture from entering Pune or any other districts which are lying in the inferior side of the ghats. That's why Pune it does not like Pune has good type of climate as compared to the rest part of India. Pune, Bangalore has good type of climate, but Mumbai has the same climate all year round. They have the humid, sticky climate all year round. But it's like, if you adapt to the climate, then Mumbai is also good to live in. It's not that bad. Like,
But the pollution is a very big issue.
oh, no, 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 no. Because of the humid climate, you'll not find Mumbai to be polluted.
Okay, there's
You're
no
talking
air
about air
pollution or.
pollution, right?
Yes.
Yeah, no. You won't find air pollution as an issue in Mumbai because of the humid climate. Moisture, it's like that, right? There's smoke, there's water, you combine it, boom, the smoke is gone.
Okay.
That is an issue with Delhi is very bad, but that is not an issue you'll find in Mumbai. Rather, you'll find that issue in Pune. Pollution to be an issue in Pune, but
Okay.
compared to Delhi it is far lesser.
Delhi is a very polluted. It's smelled very bad in Delhi, and the air quality is very low.
You're from Delhi, right?
And no, I'm I mean, in a neighborhood from the on Delhi. I'm
Noida,
from Haryana. Haryana.
Haryana.
Yes,
Okay.
Delhi is 250 kilometer far from my place,
Okay.
and I just been there like 2 to 3 months ago, and like in airport, I just left my brother in airport, and so
You dropped your brother at the airport.
dropped dropped dropped
Mm-hmm.
my AS, and that's why I just been there, and
Mm-hmm.
it's very polluted at that time. And at that time, it's very the air quality is low.
I think it was
Uh,
during the pandemic that Delhi had seen clear skies for the first time.
yes, yes. At that pandemic time, the pollution rate was lesser than the like the normal days,
Mm.
and but because of the like the pollution, the main cause of pollution in Delhi is the traffic.
Mm.
There is a huge traffic in Delhi, and there is a lot of cars and bikes and
Mm-hmm.
lots of transportation systems. So they heated the environment and polluted them.
Mm-hmm.
So the air quality is not so good, but the weather, the warmth of, I can say that the like air is very hot due to like air conditioning of the transportation system.
Mm-hmm. Right.
So yes, it's a very small city. Is not a very big city. It's more like a 30 time of Haryana, but the
Yeah.
population,
30 times
but
less
the
or 30 times more?
30 time less from Haryana.
Oh, yeah, it is so small. Like in the map, it is just a spot.
Yes, and the population is 10 time higher than Haryana,
Oh, wow. That's
and
shocking.
so this is the main reason. It's a very population is very thick at that place in
Mm-hmm.
Delhi. So it's a thing, and it's a cause of the pollution and the cause of the air quality. But right now, it's government is taking care of those
Actions.
things.
But
So
I don't
yes,
think it's working.
so it's working in future. So it's wing cross, and our capital will be beautiful in our future. So it should be, and it should be, and it must be.
Definitely. I think like recently I have started seeing many electric bikes on the roads in Pune. Okay.
Yes,
So I think electric bikes and electric vehicles will be the future. Once we shift to electrical bikes and vehicles, I think it will be easier to control the pollution.
yes,
But
it's a
the
good way.
problem, yeah, but the problem will be the batteries, disposing of the batteries. That will be a challenging part, I think.
Yes, yes, yes. The battery life is a very challenging one, and it's very costly
Mm,
if we say about the
expensive.
cost. And we can take care because Tesla, I can say
Mm,
that Tesla has initiative to those things. The cars of the Tesla is battery operated, and the life of the battery of Tesla cars is a very long life. The
mm-hmm,
car will damage, but the battery of the Tesla cars is not damaged easily.
mm-hmm,
So this kind of things should be adopted by the Indian government, and we should taking the initiative for our future and for our transportation system,
mm-hmm,
because like the general transportation system like the bus and taxis and cars is a is a huge part of it's a huge part of a population. I can pollution. I can say that.
Mm-hmm.
And if we can change the cycle of that particular transportation system, if we use the battery operated transportation system, then the air pollution and the air quality will be
Will
good
reduce,
in
right?
future.
True. What's the status of Haryana? Like, how's the pollution level in Haryana?
Haryana is quite good in our area. Is It's quite good. We have a lots of forest in our area
Forest.
and forests and it's where I'm living in my place. There is it's a village and there is greenery surrounded by us.
Mm-hmm.
So the air quality is quite good, and there is some kind of two state like which state is adjoining to the Delhi, and like the two major cities like Gurgaon and the Faridabad is
Noida?
very Gurgaon and Faridabad.
Gurgaon and Faridabad. These are the joining
Yes,
districts.
adjoining with the yes, there's a adjoining
Okay.
district. It's adjoining with the Delhi. It's
Mm-hmm.
like the part of the Delhi,
Mm-hmm.
and these two states are very polluted during the population due to population, and the rest of the like cities are quite good, and the pollution system, the pollution is lower than those cities which is adjoining to the Delhi
Mm-hmm.
due to population, and it's not any reason to be polluted, and no one can want to pollute the atmosphere because it's very harmful
Mm-hmm.
for the human being, and it's a I can say that it's a problem for us, and we cannot reduce that problem uh, with alone. We just
Mm-hmm.
have to take initiative, and so we
I have a
can.
question about Haryana. Like, if in case a person wishes to, what is the status of job opportunities in Haryana as compared to Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore?
A job opportunity, I can say that in Gurgaon and Faridabad is so high because it's
Mm.
very adjoining to the Delhi.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of multinational companies like Maruti Suzuki, Hero Honda,
Mm-hmm.
and so many kind of. It's a business hub. These two states are the business hub of Haryana,
Mm-hmm.
and these are the economical cities. I can say that economic cities of Haryana.
Mm-hmm.
They like they take a huge part in our uh, economy,
Mm-hmm.
and they gave a lot of taxes, and they gave the lots of revenue to Haryana with
Mm-hmm.
their business system.
Mm-hmm.
So there is a huge opportunity for a job.
Mm-hmm. Okay, but only in these two districts, not the rest part. But it's okay. Like, even in Maharashtra, only certain few districts are quite functional and the job opportunities are nice. Like Pune is there, Mumbai is there. These are quite
Hmm.
popular. Rest of them are still developing like that.
Yes, 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 yes.